Do you love watching videos in the internet? Because I do. And if you also love watching videos over the internet, did you know that you could earn money from it? No? Well, now you know. Of course, you have to watch my video in order to learn how. You could earn as much as $10 to $20 by simply watching a 1-minute video. Imagine how much you could earn by simply watching 20 videos a day. And the best part is that you don't have to exert too much effort or work your brains out in a day to earn as much as $200. Can you watch as many videos as you want in one day? Of course you can. Cool, right? What's even better is that you can watch anywhere using your laptop or mobile devices any time of the day. There is no limit to this method of earning, so sit back, relax and finish this entire video to know how. Because it is so easy to earn money in this method. It would be also easy to withdraw your earnings through PayPal, bank accounts, cryptocurrency, ATM, online money transfer and many more. But first, before we move on to my super secret method, click the subscribe button in my channel Abundant Creative World. Also, click on the like and share button, so you could spread this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Don't forget to click that little bell button so you get notified whenever we release new videos on how to earn money, the simple and easy way. Also, you could leave any comments down below if you have any suggestions, questions or comments on our video. In this entire video, I will be giving out 5 websites and applications which could help you become rich easily by simply watching videos online. The more application you use, the more money you could withdraw, so make sure you don't fall asleep in between my video, so you won't miss out every single important detail there is to know. Now let's get started. The first website or application I will be introducing is Feature Points. Feature Points had been present in the internet since 2012. You can earn money through this application simply by watching videos, answer service, cashback when you shop at their partner store, and many more. Feature Points is available worldwide and free, so you don't have anything to worry about. Of course, it can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Just like any other website I have shown you before, you must first sign up on their website. Once you get to their website, simply enter your email and click Sign Up Now. Once you have finished setting up your account, you will be redirected to your own page. Let me show you my personal account. You can see my name, earnings and withdrawals I have made the entire time I have used this application. You can see the available points I have. These points will be used to cash out my earnings. You can choose to cash out your earnings via PayPal or Visa gift card or Bitcoin. To earn points, simply watch any video you want using your application. Again, you do not have to do anything after watching the video or while you're watching the video. You can even leave it playing in the background and watch your favorite movie or another device and still earn money. And as a reward for you because you have reached this point in my video, I will be giving you another tip to add up your points so you could cash out a big amount. If you have any other device, for example, you have a phone and a tablet and a laptop, you can use all 3 devices to watch different videos at the same time. Just let it play at the background and you get 3 times the usual earning in one click. Easy, right? As I've said earlier, I will be showing you more applications in order to earn more money. You can even use these applications all together so you could maximize your earnings in one go. Moving on to the second application, it is called AppNana. This application works the same as previous one, so you would definitely not get confused with your way through this application. Through this application, you can earn money by watching videos, play games and answer service. And of course, this application is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, making it accessible to anyone around the world. Just like previous application, it lets you earn money using a point system. Cash-out methods would include PayPal, Bitcoin and many more, so you could choose. Now here is the secret tip to earn more through this application. Scrolling down this website, you can apply for their referral program. Once you click the button which says Referral Program, it will redirect you to another page. Just fill out the form and copy the link provided to you. Share this link to your friends via all your social media and start earning more money. That is without even doing anything. That's just 2 out of 5 applications that I will be sharing with you today. Enjoying our video? Click on the like button so we know you have enjoyed watching, and leave a comment below so we know what's buzzing through your mind. Going on our third website, it is called MyPoints. Signing up for this website lets you earn a welcome bonus of $10. Of course, signing up to this website is absolutely free, so you have nothing to lose here. Simply enter your email address and password and click on Join Now to simply earn $10. What's good about this website is you can earn different amount of money depending on the video you watch. You can even get 40% back with every purchase you make at your favorite stores such as Walmart, Best Buy or Amazon by simply joining their website. For the fourth application, AppTrailer. This application is quite popular because it could let you earn as much as $25 just for watching one video. You can also play games and trivia in order to earn money through this application. Moving on to the last application, I present you Creations Rewards. Just like the third website, it lets you earn $5 simply by signing up to their website. You can also earn cash and gift cards by watching videos through this application. You can also earn by shopping online, exploring websites through this video in order to earn money. These are all websites and applications you could use in order to earn money without doing tremendous amount of work. You can even make yourself a cup of coffee and find the most comfortable spot in your home and start earning. What's great is that you can even use these apps simultaneously in order to earn more money. I hope you liked our video. Before I end this video, I highly suggest you click on the subscribe button so I could teach you more ways to earn money passively in the easiest way possible. Don't forget to click on like and share button also, so you could tell your friends about how to earn more money. You can also leave any comments or suggestions, so we know what you are thinking about this video too.